Lifeweaver may be more enthusiasts in the coming weeks. Lifeweaver was fascinating contribution to Overwatch 2. There is a quite new and complex talent set quick re-operation of the default controls. The changes he received weeks have helped to reach a 45% winning rate in lower skill layers, but less for players carrying the ladder even further. As Aaron Keller wrote in the latest blog post, Lifeweaver's winning rate rapidly fell into higher skill ratings. Although Lifeweaver has one of highest recovery rates and one of the lowest mortality rates in game, it has more benefits beyond these basic numbers. At least in theory. Keller, Flu and Petal platform need to give more defensive and aggressive abilities to a team, but Bo.